The Wales Innovation Network facilitates collaboration across Welsh universities, seeking to build research and innovation partnerships. Technicians are integral to that work, and we're delighted to be able to celebrate the work that they do across all of our universities in this video.
In my research role, I provide technical support to my grant-funded research team, as well as conducting my own research projects.
I teach laboratory classes to undergraduate and postgraduate students. I maintain equipment, and I also liaise with academic members of staff and students as to what the requirements are, and to also help develop practical sessions.
I manage the tissue culture laboratories, which means preparing the equipment for use, writing all the standard operating procedures and risk assessments for the equipment and techniques in use. I am involved with committees within the department such as health and safety, or more broadly over the university such as the Genetically Modified Biological Agents Committee. I'm also involved in teaching on 2 MScs that are run by the school.
The main purpose of my role is to facilitate and assist with research and teaching at Henleys. This includes managing the 600 square metres of glasshouse and polytunnel space, establishing and maintaining field trials, setting up automatic monitoring systems such as those used to measure greenhouse gas emissions from soils, assisting with student practical classes, and also look after the site's automatic weather stations, data from which underpins much of the research taking place here at Henleys.
I think what I most enjoy about this role is the fact that 2 days are never going to be the same. One day you'll be doing demonstrations with students, and then the next day you might be setting up an exhibition. The other thing that can happen is I'll have a plan of what I'm doing one day, and then in comes a student and throws a curveball, and it completely changes what I'm going to be doing that day, and I have to work with them to get them to achieve what they need for their project.
I think what I enjoy most about the role from a research side of it is when somebody comes to you with a problem, maybe just having, they'll approach you to try and get things resolved, and you're sort of like a new set of eyes on the problem and just coming up with a solution, whether it's standard or whether it's novel. At the end of the day, getting them to a place where they can carry on with their research or carry on with whatever process they're doing.
I think the kind of projects I enjoy working on most are the industry projects, which we've got very close links to here in the School of Art and Design. Working with the Cardiff Animation Festival to create short bits of animation for them, but the students get particularly excited about those briefs. I think they kind of really get to let their imaginations fly.
We've worked on several projects that have contributed to our local area and further afield. We regularly loan out equipment to other schools with the support of our trainee teachers, which benefits everyone involved. The Green Power project, where we have placed electric kit cars into primary schools for them to build and race here on our track, really fosters a spirit of creativity and teamwork.
There's really a lot of development, a lot of exciting projects going on, but for me what I found is extremely supportive, particularly in helping you with your professional and personal development at the university. I've been encouraged to take on a lot of training on various qualifications to help me in my own role and develop. And I'm also now involved with a higher education academy.
I like the passion that exists in a Welsh university, whether that be the passion for its cultural identity, its sporting achievements, or the natural environment around us.
It was kind of really important to me as a kind of Welsh speaker to be part of the animation industry in Wales. I get to nurture Welsh talent, and also talent that comes from outside of Wales, train them up to kind of industry standards and then send them back out into the world.
What I love about working at a university is the people I get to meet from all over the world in different walks of life. And as a lover of the outdoors, working at Bangor University affords me the opportunity to live in one of the most beautiful parts of the UK.
The support and opportunities that have been provided to me, I wouldn't have gotten anywhere else. My colleagues, both technical and academic, strive to support not only the students but each other, and there is a real family feeling environment which makes working here a real pleasure.
We are so incredibly fortunate in Wales to have such talented technicians who support the breadth of higher education activity. From ensuring our creative productions that are enjoyed across Wales and the wider world are produced with the best of the technologies available. That our clinical education and research is enabled by using our facilities most effectively to deliver the best outcomes, both in student learning and through clinical trials, and ensuring that our highly specialist facilities and know-how, for example in semiconductors, is available for researchers, for innovators and for our external stakeholders. Technicians play such a critical role in research and innovation. They support student learning, they support research, both from formal education and in doctoral study. And our technicians play central roles in supporting outreach and civic mission. I am delighted that we're recognising the vital contribution of our technical community through these celebrations today.